when I grew up, I think largely in the 80s, in this, going to school, so we have India was always considered the elephant, right, which has potential, had done a lot of things. We had a lot of science, and then we fell behind for various reasons. A lot of it to do with colonialism, etc. So there was always this desire to create innovation out of India. Next century would be of biology, which integrates math, physics, and chemistry. And only then can you make a serious impact on biology. Indian population has is one of the most ancient populations on the planet. Did a project called Genome Asia 100K. We got the alleles for most of the Asian populations, which was all not done. So this was all recognized very well by leading journals like Nature, by putting it on the cover page. So that, yeah, I think so. Each journey is unique, right? So there are no templates. That is the biggest challenge with entrepreneurship. If you ask me straight up, I just say don't raise capital if you can generate capital. But then if you're doing a science-based business, before revenue comes, you have to put in a lot of investment. So you will have to raise capital. But there are companies, I've been involved in some companies we have exited. We didn't raise any capital because we could do services business, which led to cash flow, and that cash flow was used for IP generation. So multiple parts to it. The key thing is that because one is in love with the idea of becoming an entrepreneur, or is it because there is a problem that one has identified and they want to solve it? Now, the big slogan at that time is Garibi Hatao. People can just hear and walk away, but it got stuck in my head. Acha, Garibi Hatao. Things like COVID came, businesses like ours went to zero revenue for months, right? And they pivoted, they did so many things together, and we fought it out like a family. So we have 1,100 people in the company. We set the tone that this company is science based, and we are open to there is no fear of failure or no fear of talking. We are helping about 400,000, 500,000 families. So the first stop will be to help about 1 million patients every year in India. Then the next stop, how to take that to 10 million globally. We are at a unique time where geopolitically, also economically, politically, we have all the things lined up for India to succeed in a big way.